They told you to visualize your dream life every morning, every night. But what if that's exactly why you're stuck? You sit with your eyes closed, picturing the body, the wealth, the love, the glow, and then you open your eyes. Nothing has changed. You're in the same room, same habits, same fears. Visualization isn't the magic. It's the trap. Today, I'm going to tell you why imagining your dream life can actually keep you further from it, and what to do instead to finally make it real. Neuroscience shows your brain can't distinguish between imagination and reality. That sounds like a gift, right? But here's the trap. If you visualize your goals too much, your brain starts believing you already have them. So guess what it stops doing? Taking action, feeling urgency, creating momentum. Visualization becomes a sedative, a sweet lie, a spiritual escape. What if you've been using spiritual tools to avoid growth, not activate it? Most people aren't manifesting, they're dissociating. You sit in a high vibe bubble of your dream life, but deep inside, your nervous system is frozen. You're imagining confidence, but still scared of being seen. You're picturing wealth, but still terrified of asking for money. The subconscious can't be tricked by images. It's coded by identity, and identity is rewired by experience, not fantasy. Here's how it works. 1. You visualize a goal. 2. You feel good for a moment. 3. You avoid discomfort because your brain already thinks it's done. 4. Nothing changes. 5. You visualize again, even harder. And just like that, you're caught in a manifestation loop with no action, no embodiment, no reality shift. The more you visualize, the more addicted you become to the idea of your dream life instead of the becoming. So if visualization isn't enough, what actually works? 1. Embodied microactions. Want to be a millionaire? Don't visualize a mansion. Make one bold financial move today that feels uncomfortable. 2. Identity-based upgrades. Ask, who would I be if this was already true? How would I move? Talk, decide, dress, set boundaries. Now live as her, not in fantasy, in friction. Number 3, nervous system recalibration. Your body must feel safe holding more. Without that, the universe can't deliver. Not because you're not worthy, but because you'll sabotage the arrival. You don't need to visualize. You need to ritualize. Repetition of aligned action creates reality faster than all the vision boards in the world. You don't become her by dreaming of her. You become her by bleeding for her. By doing the thing that feels wildly unsafe, but wildly aligned. The future isn't attracted to your thoughts. It's attracted to your embodied energy. The vision was never the goal. It was the signal, the activation, the reminder of what already lives inside you. Stop visualizing your dream life. Start living in alignment with it, even when no one sees it yet. Don't get high off the fantasy. Get high off the frequency of action. You don't need another image in your mind. You need a new imprint in your body. Don't visualize, embody. That's how you break the spell. You've spent years crafting the perfect vision board, scripting your future, trying to feel what it would be like when it finally happens. But the truth is, you're not here to feel it someday. You're here to be it today. The version of you who has it all, she's not a fantasy. She's a frequency. And every time you show up with shaky hands, nervous breath, but still move, you are tuning into her. No more waiting for perfect clarity. No more hiding behind another meditation. No more using the vision to delay the becoming. You are the vision. You are the vibration. You are the evidence. Now say this, out loud or inside your heart, slowly, with truth. I do not chase my dream life. I anchor it in my bones. I no longer wait to feel ready. I declare, I already am. I don't visualize. I embody. I don't imagine. I become. Let your nervous system memorize this feeling. This is the version of you that moves mountains. She doesn't ask for permission. She doesn't wait for signs. She is the sign. The manifestation trap kept you dreaming. The embodiment path sets you free. And here's the raw truth no one told you. Dreams don't come true. Identities do. Stop asking, how do I get there? Start asking, how do I become the one who already is? You don't need another future self exercise. You need to walk into the room like you built it. Say the thing you've been afraid to say. Burn the script that says you're not ready. Build proof with your actions, not your Pinterest board. This is not the era of dreaming. This is the era of embodiment.